You've probably heard this your whole life. Just work hard and you'll be successful. But deep down, you already know that's not how the world actually works. Because if working hard was enough, the hardest working people would be the wealthiest. And that's clearly not the case. Most of the wealthiest people didn't just work harder. They worked differently. And here's the thing most people don't want to admit. Working hard can keep you broke if you're working hard in the wrong direction. Let's talk about it. Most people grind. They wake up early, commute, clock in, push through, clock out, go home exhausted, wake up and repeat. And what do they get for all that effort? A paycheck that disappears the moment it arrives. Rent, food, transport, debt. The basics. Hard work keeps them alive. But it doesn't move them forward. And the worst part? People feel proud of this. Society taught us to wear exhaustion like a badge of honor, to brag about how busy we are, how tired we are, how we don't have time for anything. It's not a badge. It's a warning sign. Here's the uncomfortable truth. You aren't paid for how hard you work. You're paid for how hard you are to replace. If the work you do can be learned in a few weeks, if someone can take your role with 2 days of training, if your boss can snap their fingers and find someone else to do what you do, your income will always be capped. No matter how early you show up, no matter how many hours you grind, no matter how loyal you are, hard work matters, but leverage matters more. This is where most people get stuck. Most people were raised to chase certainty. Stable job, stable salary, stable routine. They trade upside for safety, not realizing that safety has a price. You give up your earning potential. You give up freedom. You give up time. You give up yourself. And you don't even notice it, because everyone around you is doing the same thing. You don't rise by working harder. You rise by becoming someone whose work can't be cheaply replaced. That means learning skills that produce results other people need. Skills tied to income. Skills that move money, influence decisions, or solve problems that most people avoid. The world rewards impact, not effort. So the real question isn't, how hard are you working? The real question is, what is your work worth to the marketplace? If your value is low, your income is low. If your value rises, money follows you, not the other way around. Let me say something that might hurt. Your job is not your identity. It's just the thing you do to earn money right now. And your current earning power is just a reflection of the skills you currently have. That's it. Nothing personal. No moral judgment. No shame. Just reality. So here's the shift. Stop trying to earn more money by working more hours. Start trying to grow your value by learning skills that increase how much your hour is worth. That could be learning how to sell, learning how to manage people, learning how to solve business problems, learning how to build systems, learning how to create something people want. Those are leverage skills. Skills that compound. Skills that make you valuable. When you have leverage, people come to you. Opportunities come to you. Money comes to you. Because you can do something others can't. And when that happens, you don't need to chase the bag. The bag chases you. So let's wrap up. Hard work is only the foundation. Leverage is the multiplier. Without leverage, your hard work only digs the hole deeper. You don't get rich by working harder. You get rich by becoming harder to replace.